Okay, so I gotta do some emergency high tensile fence repair. Grazed cattle at a gravel pit. They got too close to one of my fences. There's like a 90-foot bank there, and the bank caved away. So I'm gonna do some speed high tensile fence repair. You know, normally I expect somebody who messes my fence up to repair it themselves, but those of you that run high tensile fence know that not too many people know how to mess with high tensile fence. One thing I do, luckily I got these cutoff switches all around my farm so I can, you know, don't have to walk a long ways to go get the fence turned off, because I'm a good half a mile as a crow flies from the fence charger. So I'm going to just, basically I'll show you what happened here. Take hammer and some T-post, do a speed repair here. This is one spot I already had to do a repair a couple weeks ago. Otherwise cows would just, you know, walk right under it. And I think we got the same deal over here. Well, I don't know. Alright, this ain't gonna be what I thought. How the hell do I do that? I'm gonna have to add a whole bunch of wire to this. Bring it over here onto solid ground, I guess. Not what I was hoping for. So maybe I'll loosen the tension off, bypass that post, put a post over here. So I go back up there, I'll take tension off, see how much I can bring that over. So hopefully I got a lot of wire in there. When I do put these in, try to leave a lot of wire in my strainer, just in case I gotta do a repair like this. See, I loosened it a lot, but probably not near enough. I'm gonna probably have to take that post out up there too. So I gotta cut all this crap out of the way. It's all thorny black locust and autumn olive bush, and then I could pull the fence down that way. I thought about cutting and splicing the wire, but I'll just knock that brush out of the way with a saw. Okay, this is taking a long time. Everything's knotted up. Some of this brush is buried. Try to cut this brush out of the way so I could bring this fence, just pull it over and put the post in here. It's just too dangerous to use that chainsaw, 25-inch bar. It ain't made to cut brush. I end up bending my chain when I do it. I already had the chain come off once, so this would have been a good job for the pole saw. And I thought about it today. I go, should I keep the pole saw in the back of my truck because they were talking rain? I go, nah, I'll leave it home. And I didn't bring the pole saw. Luckily I got this with me. So yeah, it's just too damn dangerous to use that damn chainsaw on the slope. So, well, I'm done. I had to cut and splice the wire. I don't have any crimpers with me, so I had to hand tie them. So I had to do splices. And I used this little locust sapling as a corner, and went right along there. So, wasn't pretty, but it took a lot longer than what I thought. I was supposed to be spreading fertilizer. We got some wet weather coming, several days, so I'm gonna get back out. I got a bunch of compost I hauled out to the field, so I got about 30 acres to try to cover. I was hoping to get it done before dark, because at night I'm not sure if I can see my spreading pattern. All right, well, hope you enjoyed this little story. Thanks for tuning in, and I just want to say I really look forward to everything everybody else posts. It's fun to come home in the evening and watch all the videos, so I hope all you people keep posting. And look forward to seeing you. It all works out good. I am spreading. Got a neighbor here at this field I'm at. He's loading me. He's got a sheep farm right next door too, and he's loading me up some sheep manure. So, and then I got some really nice composted horse manure here I'm spreading. So, looks like I'm gonna get a lot of work done tonight. It's all good, man.